Okay, so we have Festival of Lights is coming up, which is usually the month of December. I guess it's already here, December 5th today. But this big pink installation is basically involved with that. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. But I just want to capture some of the other stuff in this particular space. So you have these banyan tree kind of things. Unlike other parts of Southeast Asia, they don't put anything in them. Sometimes I'll see brooms. But we're going to focus on this space. And I'll show you a little bit more of this space too. It's giant Fantas. I don't know how long they've been there, but those are kind of part of the scenery. There's the brooms. Usually whenever I see these big banyan trees, there's usually brooms. So there's a couple of brooms right there. So yeah, they're off to the side a little bit. So what we're gonna do is try to frame this pink installation right here. It says Merry Christmas, and I think at nighttime it'll be all lit up. So it's part of the light festival. So yeah, Merry Christmas right there. And I guess it's not as powerful at this particular time. Okay, these are okay, that's the kind of tree that is. I always call them banyans, but I guess they have a different name. So what we're gonna do in a minute is we're gonna go over and film that space. But first we're gonna film this space. So this is the name of it. Little courtyard in there. Then we're going to try to capture some of this. I'm going to capture a little bit of this space here. And then some of this Widow's Mercadories. So I'm going to walk down Widow's Mercadories for a second. It's beautiful. Yellow one side, green on the other. But then up front it switches colors over to the yellow, goes over to the other side. And actually, she just switched already. So this is yellow, green. Yeah, there's lots of different shades of green and right there. It's pretty cool. Love the sense of colors in this space. Somebody's apartment. Stairwell. Lacquer shop. It's kind of funny. Frame that shot like that. It's kind of a cool looking building right there. So what we're going to do is going to go back to that same spot that we started at, and then I'll going to get on this side of the street, stay in the shade. It's a beautiful building. With the way the sun's coming, I don't know if it's captured. It's quite as good as I would like. Okay. So this is where we started at, so I'm just going to cross back in, and then I'm going to conclude this video. Basically I just walked into the Taipa village a little bit, and then I'm going to frame it in this particular spot. I get a little closer, try to frame it in a nice cool looking way. gonna frame it like that, I guess. Like that. Okay.
Chiquinha,